What's up, guys? I figured I'd sit down, have a cup of coffee, and we could have a chat. Let's go. So what's up, everybody? So first of all, I obviously want to show off the cup. We got Wheel Life on one side and Ride Hard and Keep It Wheel on the other. Obviously, another of the items that I have available on Teespring. You guys can check in the description down below. Of course, you can go there, and I have shirts and mugs and neck gaiters and face masks and all that good stuff, so for us to show our pride when it comes to wheel life and being able to express ourselves with these electric unicycles. Oh, that's good. So outside of that, obviously I got a couple of other items here. The Wheel Life Indoor Rally 2021. Yes, I was the first place winner and I was the grand champ, the Grand Championship EUC winner. We also had a first place and grand champion for the one wheels, and I feel bad about that. That's one of the first things I want to talk about because number one, I didn't have coverage of the final races. The last 4 races, I didn't really have coverage. And I had to take coverage from other people, and the final, the grand championship for the one wheels, I wasn't able to grab any footage from anybody yet. So that's why I didn't include it in the video that I just posted. I feel bad. Also, my man, Jesse Moskowitz, I am so sorry. I misspelled his name. On the video, I put Mukowitz, and I am so sorry, brother, because he did so well. He did so much at the event. He put his heart and soul into it, and I feel bad that I wasn't able to do him justice in regards to that. So Jesse Moskowitz, I am very sorry, brother. You did a hell of a job. I will also link his Facebook down below. You can go and check him out and check out some of his other wheel riding. He's a very talented guy on the one wheel. He also mentioned recently he has a 16X that he may polish up and jump in the mix next time. Of course, that was just because he wanted to get his name spelled right. So I don't know if he's really gonna do that, but either way, here's to you, Jesse. I appreciate you, bro. Okay, so outside of correcting that, the other 2 winners, the second place and third place winners for one wheel, they wrote their names on the waiver forms, and then I rewrote them on my form. And I am not sure I got the names correct as far as the spelling. Just like on Jesse's name, I was trying to do too many things at once, running here, running there, doing this, doing that. I definitely needed more help so that I could focus more on the things that I wanted to get done. I did not get a chance to give them their first, second, and third place medals, and I didn't get a chance to give Jesse his one wheel trophy for Grand Championship, but I will be sending them out to them. The t-shirts that I ordered, there was a UPS issue that came up and they are a week behind on getting them to me. So I plan on including them as well. So Jesse can feel the love from what he did. I'll be including that as well. That's one of the things I wanted to talk about while having my cup of coffee this morning. And the other thing I wanted to talk about is Wednesday. Of course, we're gonna have Wheel Life Wednesday. We're gonna have the Wheel Life show live stream. So if you guys are gonna be around 5 o'clock on Wednesday, you might want to jump on and jump in the chat. Like I said, it's all about electric vehicles. So one-wheelers, EUC riders alike, you can all jump in and on the chat. I want to bring us all in. Now, the next event is not planned yet. I have 2 events. It was 1. Now it looks like it's going to be 2 more events this year, possibly. So we shall see. Again, at least 1, possibly 2 more. We shall see how it goes. It's a lot of work doing this, and it's not easy for me to put it all together, but I'm doing my best because I really enjoy the camaraderie. I really enjoy everybody getting together, and it's fantastic. Those of you who couldn't make this one, a lot of people last minute told me that since it was in the middle of the week, they couldn't make it. I understand, I really do. But when I give you a date, I'm giving you the date ahead of time. Please put it on your calendar, check the day, and make sure that you're available to make the next one, because the same thing happened this time that happened last time. Many people said, oh, I'm so mad I missed it. And I'm like, well, I gave it to you in advance. It was at least a month and a half in advance. So going forward, I don't have dates and times for the next events yet, but I will, and it will be at least a month and a half to 2 months ahead before the event. I will let you know. So stay tuned. You'll get the information for the next event. So outside of that, I also wanted to talk about, you know, some of the things that are going on right now, some of the fires that have happened with the wheels. You can't even say one over here or over there because it's not centrally located. These have happened all over, including in the shipping container on the way here. So this is something that is supposedly being addressed from what I understand or what I hear. I'm hoping, I'm really hoping that this is happening because I'm waiting on a Monster Pro and I really want all of these things to be fixed and addressed by Begode or Gotway before they ship that wheel to me. At least I'm hoping that. So for others of you who are out there who are waiting for yours as well, I know you have the same feeling I do. You want it like yesterday, but you also want it fixed. So you're like, okay, I'll wait a little bit more. So let's hope that, you know, it's only a little bit more, because I'm still brokenhearted that I sold my Monster V3 so long ago, and I could have been riding all this time, and I sold it when I had an opportunity to get good money for it, and I used that money to buy the next Monster Pro, and I'm feeling some type of way about this weight and all these issues and all these problems. My point is, we can talk about it on Wednesday if you're interested in talking about this as well. Jump on the live stream 5 p.m. on Wednesday and we will talk some more. Oh, that's good. So that's it. I just wanted to talk about what happened, how much fun we had, what's happening now in regards to the bearings and the fires and things like that, and what's coming up. The Wheel Life Rally events that we're gonna have going forward, as well as the California event with Marty. I plan on making it out there this year, hopefully. And I don't know about Vegas, but I know at least California and the upcoming Wheel Life events. So I just wanted to give you a quick shout. Just wanted to talk real quick, share a brief cup of coffee. Oh, man. And that's it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I'll talk to you guys on Wednesday. Until then, ride hard and keep it wheel. Peace.